Here is the first 2DD IEM from Hisenior, but is it a hit or just another gimmick? Hey folks, welcome to AndesAudio. Today, let's dive into Hisenior Cano Cristales, the second model in their Wild Nature series. This is Hisenior's first in-ear monitor featuring dual dynamic drivers with a hybrid setup of 2DD plus 8BA. If you know Hisenior's Mega series, like the Mega 5 ESG, you will recognize it centers on extreme sound performance. The Wild Nature series, however, favors high sensitivity and a lively, vivid sound, designed to be energetic and engaging. As the name implies, Cano Cristales is inspired by Colombia's famous Rainbow River, expecting a bold and striking design. So let's start with the design. It features bright, vivid color, purple, blue, and gold, with a glossy finish that shines in the night. Honestly, it's hard to ignore. So the first thing you should do is to ask yourself, does it fit your style? If you like bold, artistic earphones, this will catch your eye. But if you prefer simple, minimal designs, this might not be for you. Now, the most important part, sound quantity. As Hisenior's first dual dynamic driver IEM, the Cano Cristales delivers stronger bass compared to the previous Wild Nature model, Aquanco. Its bass is deeper, richer, and more detailed, with sub-bass extending down to 10 Hz. This creates a spacious and immersive listening experience, ideal for fans of deep, low frequencies. While in the mid-range, Hisenior teamed up with Bassing to create 4 custom balanced armature drivers tuned for 800 Hz to 3 kHz. This improves bass to middle clarity and separation, making both male and female vocals more distinct and forward. And it really works, as the high-frequency 4-nose balanced armatures deliver clear, crisp highs with good reach, without sounding harsh or sharp. In short, this IEM offers a lively and well-balanced sound, true to Hisenior's signature style. It avoids harsh treble and major flows, focusing on music enjoyment rather than analytic detail. When it comes to comfort and accessories, there's really nothing to complain at this price point. And the final key point is it worth $399? Honestly, it depends on your personal taste. If you want a natural, balanced, and emotionally rich sound, especially for vocals and acoustic music with clear mids and bright highs, this is a great option. But if you now heavy bass, strong V-shaped sound, or sharp treble, this may not suit you. For more details or to buy, visit AndesAudio's platform. Alright, that's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a comment below. See you in the next one.